Justice! 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 Simple lang! Ayaw natin sa mga magpapatas na nabibilipin ng batas! Maliwanag ang turo sa atin, hindi makalihira ang katwiran pag pinapaluktok ang katarungan. Isigaw natin, do not bend the law! 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 Hindi tayo sasama sa katiwalian! Ang ating ilalantad ang kadiliman! Itong isigaw natin, ilantad! Huwag itago! Ilantad! Huwag itago! Ilantad! Huwag itago! Ilantad! Huwag itago!
At hindi tayo titigil na iparinig ang ating tinig. 3 araw yan!
Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba?
Ipinapaalala natin, hindi tayo laban sa gobyerno. Hindi tayo papayag ng anumang hakbang na labag sa saligang bataan. Ayaw natin sa revolusyon. Ayaw natin sa kunita. Pero ayaw din natin sa magnanakaw. Ano dapat gawin sa Mandalumbong? Samantala po, panoorin niyo ito. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Walang bibitaw!
Kawawa naman ang mga kapwa ko Pilipino na nalubog sa baha dahil sa pagnanakaw sa tapat ng bayan.
Panagutin ang mga dapat manakaw. Huwag ninyong itago ang mga may sala.
Hindi na lang iwalian, tama na ang paunla.
Sundin sana ang saligang batas. Gawin ang nakasaad sa konstitusyon. No twisting and bending of the law.
Gusto namin ng justisya at kapayapaan.
Accountability. Peace. Justice.
Transparency for a better democracy.
What is happening now in the Philippines is affecting not only the public and private sectors, but regardless of your religious denominations or affiliations. We know you have felt the pains, the hardships, and the difficulties. The overall judgment or perception concerning the ongoing corruption, it is the betrayal of public trust. Too many victims, countless numbers of our fellow Filipinos, have now suffered tremendously. And thank you, Iglesia ni Cristo, for initiating this action. I'm hands off. I'm really supportive of the way the Iglesia ni Cristo has been helping the community. Even here in the United States, they have this Care for Humanity. Care for Humanity is a broad and deep project being undertaken by the Iglesia ni Cristo. I would definitely agree that the Iglesia ni Cristo has been practicing what the Holy Bible and God Himself, King Jesus Christ, says in His Holy Word. For one thing, I look at the leadership of President Manalo as being impartial, being centralized, and well-disciplined. That really caught my attention